How much is a Gemini coin worth today? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting at a table, a cup of coffee steaming in front of you. You're scrolling through your phone, and a headline catches your eye: Gemini coin price surges. Your heart races. You've been following this cryptocurrency for months, and now it seems like it might be your ticket to financial freedom. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Gemini coin. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how much it's worth right now. What is Gemini coin? Gemini coin, often shortened to GUSD, is a stablecoin issued by the Gemini Trust Company. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that fluctuate in value, Gemini coin is pegged to the US dollar. This means that for every GUSD token in circulation, there's an equivalent amount of US dollars held in reserve. This stability is what makes Gemini coin attractive to investors. It's a way to participate in the cryptocurrency market without the risk of losing your investment due to price volatility. How does Gemini coin work? Gemini coin operates on the Ethereum blockchain. This means that transactions are processed and verified by a network of computers, ensuring security and transparency. When you buy or sell Gemini coin, you're essentially exchanging it for US dollars. The Gemini Trust Company is responsible for maintaining the peg between GUSD and the US dollar. They do this by ensuring that there's always enough US dollars in reserve to redeem all outstanding GUSD tokens. Factors affecting Gemini coin's value. While Gemini coin is pegged to the US dollar, there are a few factors that can influence its value. These include market demand. If more people want to buy Gemini coin, its value can increase. Conversely, if more people want to sell, its value can decrease. Regulatory environment. Changes in government regulations can impact the cryptocurrency market, including Gemini coin. For example, if a government bans the use of cryptocurrencies, it could negatively affect the value of Gemini coin. Economic conditions. The overall state of the economy can also influence the value of Gemini coin. For example, during a recession, people may be less likely to invest in cryptocurrencies, which could lead to a decline in the value of Gemini coin. How much is Gemini coin worth today? To find out the current price of Gemini coin, you can use a cryptocurrency exchange or a price tracking website. These platforms will provide you with real-time price data, as well as charts showing the coin's historical performance. It's important to note that the price of Gemini coin can fluctuate throughout the day. So, if you're interested in buying or selling, it's a good idea to check the price frequently. Should you invest in Gemini coin? Whether or not you should invest in Gemini coin is a personal decision. It's important to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment. If you're looking for a stablecoin that's backed by the US dollar, Gemini coin could be a good option. However, it's important to remember that no investment is without risk. Conclusion. Gemini coin is a stablecoin that offers investors a way to participate in the cryptocurrency market without the risk of significant price fluctuations. While the coin's value is pegged to the US dollar, there are a few factors that can influence its price. It's important to stay informed about these factors and to do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.